Are we alone in the universe? It's a question that has captivated our imagination for centuries, and in our quest for answers, we've embarked on an incredible journey beyond our solar system. Today, we'll dive into the thrilling world of exoplanets, planets located in distant star systems, and explore the tantalizing possibility that one of them might be home to extraterrestrial life. This is Exploring Exoplanets, the search for life beyond Earth. The concept of exoplanets dates back to ancient civilizations, with philosophers like Epicurus pondering the existence of other worlds. However, it remained speculative until modern science. The first indirect evidence of exoplanets came in 1992 with the discovery of planets orbiting pulsars, dense, rapidly rotating neutron stars. While not habitable, this marked the first confirmed existence of planets beyond our solar system. NASA's Kepler Space Telescope revolutionized exoplanet science by detecting exoplanets using the transit method. It found thousands of candidates and confirmed numerous exoplanets, including Earth-sized ones. NASA's Transiting Exoplanets Survey satellite, TESS, has continued the search for exoplanets by observing bright nearby stars. TESS has already discovered hundreds of new exoplanets. Advanced telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope have enabled direct imaging of exoplanets, offering valuable insights into their atmospheres and characteristics. We now have 5,528 confirmed exoplanets, with 200 terrestrial and 1674 super-Earth. Here are the most exciting ones. Proxima Centauri b, this intriguing exoplanet, just 4.24 light-years away, resides in the habitable zone of its star, offering the potential for liquid water and conditions conducive to life. It is the closest known exoplanet to our solar system and may be a prime target for future interstellar exploration. Proxima Centauri b's surface could have a reddish hue due to its star, and it might have a climate suitable for liquid water, potentially supporting life as we know it. Located 39.6 light-years from Earth, TRAPPIST-1e lies within the habitable zone of its star and boasts Earth-like dimensions, making it a prime candidate for hosting liquid water and, potentially, life. It is part of the TRAPPIST-1 system, which includes 7 Earth-sized planets, increasing the chances of finding a habitable world. TRAPPIST-1b through H could feature a diverse climate with the potential for oceans, continents, and a breathable atmosphere, making the planets remarkable candidates for habitability. Positioned 20.3 light-years away, Gliese 581g holds promise as a potential abode for life, residing in the habitable zone and offering the prospect of temperate conditions that might support habitability. It is sometimes referred to as Zarmina's World, named after a character in a sci-fi novel, demonstrating the human fascination with the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Gliese 581g might have a climate suitable for Earth-like conditions, potentially featuring oceans, continents, and a diverse range of life forms. Kepler 186f. This exoplanet, distant by 500 light-years, it is one of the first Earth-sized exoplanets discovered within the habitable zone, inspiring further searches for similar worlds. Gliese 667cc lies just 22 light-years from Earth and is at least 4.5 times as massive as Earth, according to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Gliese 667cc completes one orbit around its host star in a mere 28 days, but that star is a red dwarf considerably cooler than the Sun, so the exoplanet is thought to lie in the habitable zone. However, Gliese 667cc, which was discovered with the European Southern Observatory's 3.6-meter telescope in Chile, may orbit close enough in to be baked by flares from the red dwarf. Kepler 69c, which is about 2,700 light-years away, is about 70% larger than Earth. Researchers are unsure about its composition. The planet completes one orbit every 242 days, making its position within its solar system comparable to that of Venus within ours. However, Kepler 69c's host star is about 80% as luminous as the Sun, so the planet appears to be in the habitable zone. Kepler 22b lies 600 light-years away. It was the first Kepler planet found in the habitable zone of its parent star, but the world is considerably larger than Earth, about 2.4 times our planet's size. It's unclear if this super-Earth planet is rocky, liquid, or gaseous. Kepler 22b's orbit of 290 days is pretty similar to Earth's 365. The exoplanet orbits a G-class star like our Sun, but this star is smaller and colder than Earth's. Kepler 62f is about 40% larger than Earth and orbits a star much cooler than our Sun, according to NASA. Its 267-day orbit, however, puts Kepler 62f squarely within the habitable zone. While Kepler 62 orbits closer to its red dwarf star than Earth does to the Sun, the star produces much less light. Kepler 62f lies about 1,200 light-years away, and, due to its large size, is within the range of potentially rocky planets that may hold oceans. Kepler 442b is 33% larger than Earth and completes an orbit of its star every 112 days, according to a NASA press release. The discovery of Kepler 442, situated 1,194 light-years away from Earth, was announced in 2015. One study, published in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society in 2021, found that this exoplanet may receive enough light to sustain a large biosphere. The researchers analyzed the likelihood of different planets being able to carry out photosynthesis. They found that Kepler 442b receives sufficient radiation from its star. Kepler 452b is the world, whose discovery was announced in 2015, is the first near-Earth-sized planet that orbits around a star the size of the Sun, according to NASA exoplanets. Kepler 452b is 60% larger than Earth, and its parent star, Kepler 452, is 10% larger than the Sun. Kepler 452 is very similar to our Sun, and the exoplanet orbits in the habitable zone. At 1.6 times the size of Earth, Kepler 452b has a better-than-even chance of being rocky, its discoverers have said. Kepler 452b resides 1,400 light-years from Earth. It takes Kepler 452b just 20 days longer to orbit its star than Earth does. When the data from NASA's Kepler Space Telescope was reanalyzed, scientists discovered Kepler 1,649 cc. The exoplanet was found to be similar in size to Earth and orbiting in its star's habitable zone. During the initial data collection from the telescope, a computer algorithm misidentified the astronomical body, according to NASA, but in 2020 it was discovered to be a planet. Kepler 1649c is located 300 light-years from Earth and is only 1.06 times larger than it. When comparing the light that the two planets receive from their stars, scientists found that this exoplanet receives 75% of the light Earth does from the Sun. Ross 128b is the second closest extrasolar planet to the solar system after Proxima Centauri b. The exoplanet was found using a decade's worth of radial velocity data with the HARPS spectrograph. high-accuracy radial velocity planet searcher at the La Silla Observatory in Chile. Ross 128b is the nearest exoplanet around a quiet red dwarf and is considered one of the best candidates for habitability. The planet is only 35% more massive than Earth, receives only 38% more sunlight, and is expected to be a temperature suitable for liquid water to exist on the surface if it has an atmosphere. According to the Exoplanets channel, Ross 128b is likely to be rocky because all the exoplanets discovered so far that have fewer than 4 Earth masses have proved to be rocky. On February 3, 2023, an international team of researchers announced their discovery of a neighboring Earth-size and Earth-mass exoplanet orbiting in the habitable zone of its star. It's only 31 light-years away, right next door in galactic terms. The planet, Wolf 1069b, orbits a red dwarf star, and scientists think it's tidally locked to the star, where the same side always faces the star. However, the researchers say it is potentially habitable, particularly on its day side facing the star. They also say that, unlike many planets orbiting red dwarfs, it may have retained much of its atmosphere. This is due to the fact that the star is less active than many red dwarfs, with less intense radiation or stellar flares. TOI 700 first made headlines when NASA announced the discovery of 3 small planets orbiting the star in early 2020. TOI 700b. The innermost planet is almost exactly Earth-size, is probably rocky, and completes an orbit every 10 days. However, it's not in the star's habitable zone. It's way too hot. TOI 700c. The middle planet is 2.6 times larger than Earth, orbits every 16 days, and is likely a gas-dominated world. It's also not in the star's habitable zone. Taur 700d, the outermost planet in the system. It's the only detected planet in the habitable zone. It's probably rocky. It's just 20% larger than Earth. It orbits every 37 days. And it receives from its star 86% of the energy that the Sun provides to Earth. Teegarden Star C is a candidate exoplanet found orbiting in the habitable zone of Teegarden Star, an M-type red dwarf star 12.5 light-years away from the solar system. It orbits in the conservative habitable zone around its star. Along with Teegarden Star B, it is among the closest known potentially habitable exoplanets. One positive factor for habitability is its star. Most red dwarfs emit strong flares, which can strip the atmosphere and eliminate habitability. Teegarden Star is inactive and quiet, making the planet possibly habitable. The future holds the promise of groundbreaking missions, advanced technologies, and the potential for profound discoveries that could reshape our understanding of life in the cosmos. Our search for life beyond Earth is not just a scientific endeavor. It is a testament to the enduring human spirit of curiosity, wonder, and exploration. As we conclude our exploration of exoplanets and the search for life, we are reminded that our journey is ongoing and that the universe is vast and filled with mysteries yet to be uncovered. The search for life beyond Earth is a journey that unites us all, a journey of hope, wonder, and the shared dream of one day discovering that we are not alone in the cosmos.